birthday weekend. Guess who's turning 15 this weekend? Not me. You are absolutely correct. It's Munchkin's birthday, and we have a weekend of activities. All right, we have a weekend of food. We're gonna try a few restaurants because that's what we do. First up, somewhere named what?
Cake.
The place is called Cake. I guess it's apt for a birthday celebration, so come with us for Munchkin's birthday. My baby girl is growing up on me. Where do you think I go? It's blowing my mind that I have a 15-year-old. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's go. What is this? This is the mom fit. We are in Florida, but it's rather chilly. So this is the uniform that I've been running around in for the past few weeks. Hoodie, leggings, sneakers, pretty much it. Rinse and repeat. Let's go eat. Thanks for checking out the vlog. You know me, I'm going to do half of this vlog in voiceover style. So let's just get it going. So we're on our way to Cake Bakery. Munchkin found this place on Google Maps, I believe, and it was a really cute little restaurant. I think this is in the Pembroke Pines Mall area, somewhere there. Something like that, don't quote me on it, but it was really cute, and we actually matched. We were matching with the decor. We didn't even know that. That wasn't planned at all. So yeah, it was like this pink, you know, all girly, cutesy cafe. And you know, Munchkin is not really a girly girl, but every now and then she'll find these little cutesy places and decide she wants to check it out, and anything my girl wants for her birthday. So I'm getting better at the vlogging. This part of the vlog, you see I was talking to the camera and everything, but the restaurant had really loud music. I don't want to get a copy strike, but the music was banging. I was really enjoying the music because they were playing music from my era. But I was just saying here that we blended in. You see that we were matching the decor, and that was not planned at all. And then the waitress, she gave us the menu, and then she gave us a dessert menu. And I was just like, hold on. Because the whole of the menu looked like dessert. What you mean? So you have a separate dessert menu after that. Look there. That's the main menu that I just showed you. And then a next dessert menu, pan top of it. So let's go through the main menu and see what kind of food they have, because now I'm intrigued. I didn't even look at the menu before, you know, Munchkin said she wanted to come here, and I said fine. But they had burgers and like bowls and soups and all kind of sitting. So I was like, okay, I can find something to eat here, and that I did. It was actually pretty, well, it never bad. Let's start with what Munchkin had. She ordered this hot chocolate because girl, I got order hot chocolate and she never liked it at all. She didn't like it. She said the hot chocolate itself was flavorless. My salad was so good though. Oh my god, I want to go back just for the salad. We were about to walk 25 minutes down the road to the altar, but the breeze. No sir, liquid back and say no. So we're waiting on our Uber. But I do miss the walkability of Mexico. That is one thing that I miss in Mexico, is the ability to walk to places. Here, I feel like half an hour to go anywhere. Oh child. And it's walking on like big double wide tree lane road. It's not like some cute little cobblestone streets. Never thought I'd miss those. Day 2 of the birthday weekend, and we are at Wabi Sabi restaurant to have Korean. She's gonna have her favorite, which is jjajangmyeon, which is a black bean noodle. We're walking away because this video is after we eat, but I'll insert the clip of what we had here. We love some Nyam Nyam from Mexico. That was a Korean restaurant, so I ordered the dumplings and the tteokbokki, I think that's how you say it, and she ordered her black bean noodles. The Nyam Nyam, the dumplings from Mexico, them be to know, but the food wasn't bad. So, you know, for a birthday meal, I think she she loved her black bean noodles, so that's all that mattered, right? So, Marley, we are here to look at your favorite car. Marley, is this your favorite car? That's not it? You're sure? That one's mine. Marley, is this your favorite car? What? Oh, young child. Young child. Marley, is this your favorite car?
No, I don't like BMW.
Girl.
You don't like BMW? No. But what I do like.
Is this your favorite car?
Yes, we should buy it.
Girl. Who's we?
He makes it look.
Listen, I don't know where she get this obsession with Corvettes, but anytime we see a Corvette on the road, our head turn. So my friend had the grand idea of taking her to the Chevy dealer for her birthday, and I thought that was amazing, and she loved it.
Come, let me give you a tour.
No, I don't want to
Video. So, right? What we have here is the door.
I don't want
This child.
How do you know?
Because
How do you open it?
it's right here.
Wow. Right
I
where?
can't.
Poor me.
No, they're gonna like.
Mama doesn't know anything.
And then
Try harder.
the tint is so.
No, seriously, how do you open it?
Let me come show you.
Please.
Everybody gets a tour now.
This car can like sit like.
So, if the button is right here, and you press it, and
Oh,
it goes up.
got it.
It's
Please
one of
don't-
those.
Oh,
It goes up.
yeah.
What?
It what?
It goes up.
It's an ear handle.
Got it.
And then you can't see it because the tint is so low. But
I'm
the
just
wheel
saying.
is a. What shape is that?
I don't know.
What shape is that?
It's a.
I can't even see inside for real, for real.
It's a square.
I know, so you're on the wrong side.
Hmm?
The wheel steering wheel's over there.
Yeah. And then in the middle, instead of a turn stick thingy, it has buttons.
You know, for someone who
guess
loves this car,
So it's an automatic.
you know all the names, very
It's
technical names.
They have. Yeah, they have a manual.
I like this. It's my color. It's my muscle type. Ooh, what's this one? Wait, hold on now.
Let's come at this one.
I kind of like this one too.
You don't like Camaro?
I do. I really like this red one. These look like toy cars.
Exactly.
They look like Hot Wheels.
No, I really
Bend down.
Oh, that one's a convertible.
Shut up.
Ooh, I don't think y'all caught that. That Mustang started up just now.
Wow.
It sounded really
It sounds so
cool. It sounded really cool.
Let's drive it now.
Girl. Yeah, if you ask her, this is probably the highlight of her entire weekend. Coming to the Chevy dealer. It's been a while since I have seen like such joy, like such unbridled joy on her face, especially when she got to go inside and see the brand new car. Let me tell you something, man. Yeah, like and then she studied all the car, you know. Poor me, I've never really been a car person, much less a sports car person, so I don't know. She was the one who told me that this name Corvette, okay? I don't know what a car name. So she was ecstatic. She was over the moon when she was able to actually go and see one up close and, you know, actually get to like sit in it and open the door and all of them something there. Big up Auto Nation. Let me just say that this is Auto Nation in Hollywood, because they deserve the little shout out for just, you know, allowing us to come and play, because that's really what we were doing, wasting people them time. We're just in the store like looking. But this is going to be like a core memory for this one, I'm pretty sure. This is me complaining, say the car long and I just 2 seats in there, so I'm trying to figure out what's in the back. Like, I have no clue about these types of cars, okay, people? But I was along for the ride and I surely enjoyed myself. So I know that the little one, over the moon. Okay, but on a serious note, why the truck so big? Me boomer. Like, guys, are you seeing the size of this truck? This truck is taller than me. This is the... What? Why is this truck so tall? Oh my god. How did I get into this truck? How do I get into this truck? This is crazy. That's crazy. Why is this truck so high? There's a truck. I'm sorry, I was making all kind of noise when the car started up, so you never really get to hear what I heard. But it was so, and then she was not expecting it, so she was so surprised because the salesperson saw our joy and he went for the key and he started it up and she was going wild. And then he opened the door and she could open the door for herself and go inside and sit down. Let me tell you, this young girl was over the moon. Look at her. She's pointing out all the little features and everything of the car that she know about, because poor me, as I said, I don't know nothing about nothing.
So low, Mom.
Okay.
Wait, I can't drive.
Just go in there.
Go just try them on.
I have to take a picture.
Like, do you hear that excitement in her voice? Oh my God, I'm so happy that she got to experience this on her birthday. Anyway, the day continued and we took a drive out to the beach because we still have not been to the beach here yet in Miami. And, you know, with good reason, it's been kind of chilly. But on this day, I decided that we're just going to do it all. And so we took a little ride out to the Hollywood Beach boardwalk area. It was such a beautiful day because you can see that the weather the day before when we went to Cake Bakery, it was cloudy and freezing. So I'm so happy that the sun came out. Look, people are on their bicycles and I was really like feeling very Florida man-ish. It was just honestly a very beautiful day at the beach. People were out enjoying even the chilly weather. I'm gonna let you enjoy the scenery a bit. It's so funny to me how I'm out here in a sweater dress and leggings and I am not hot. I'm in a bus, not one sweat yet because it is kind of chilly, but it's like a mix of people not knowing what to wear because there are definitely people on the beach in their bikinis and their shorts or whatever. There are people running. Some people are running in hoodies and shorts. It's like this is peak Florida. Peak Florida winter when you're not quite sure how it's going to go. You know what? I don't think I've ever really and truly been to Miami proper. Like, okay, maybe as a teenager when I used to come with my aunts, but honestly, I don't have many memories in Miami. Every time I come to Florida, I go to Fort Lauderdale or that area, or I go to Orlando. So I don't know. I don't know of me walking up and down in Miami proper. So we went to Wynwood. Never been here. That much I know. and it was beautiful to check out the art district. I love this vibe. My kind of vibe this. I could definitely see myself living in an era with this many like creative aspects around me. And the walkability was back. Kudos. I love it. We're in Wynwood. It's pretty nice down here. Pretty loud. It gives us back that feeling of being able to walk to places. You know, it looks like it has apartment buildings across from ice cream shops and taco joints. That's the feeling of community that's missing from some of the communities that we've been in here in America so far. That walkability, that being able to walk down to a grocery store or a restaurant or a coffee shop. You need more of that, America. You don't need to drive everywhere. We've been out here, people have been on their motorbikes, their rollerblades, their scooters, their bicycles to go get whatever they need. Let's do away with all the cars, man. Anyways, we are at Salt and Straw Ice Cream. How is it? This one ordered the vegan one by mistake and she's actually enjoying it. Fake ice cream, but all right. It's like a sorbet. Is it creamy? Is it creamy? All right. I had ice cream too. It was pretty good. Yeah, this is definitely my vibe. I wonder though if it is, you know, becomes too loud and too touristy. Maybe I would like to live somewhere adjacent, not necessarily in the middle of everything. Woo, child. Anyways, so, you know, there were lots of things to do and see here. I don't know if you took note, but we passed like several different markets opened up, food markets, and then there were clothes markets, flea markets. There were all kind of different things being sold in markets on the roadside. There were a whole lot of different taco places, coffee places, ice cream places, lots of different little shops and places to like stick your head in and check out the scenery. This is one of the markets that we went into. So this one was really, really fun. It's called the Wynwood Marketplace here. And they have like a skating rink in there and pickleball and all kind of things. So we went to check it out in here. I was really thirsty actually, so I went in there trying to find something to drink. And I need Floridians to tell me, if $10 for a cup of coconut water is really and truly the going price. Because after I went to the farmer's market 2 weeks ago and then here we are again, $10 for the coconut? No, this was $12. This one was the medium and it was $12. No man, something wrong with that. You know how much for coconut at Jamaica, hello? And I would have expected it in Idaho, hello? But not in Florida where we can see the coconut trees all around us. Like, somebody make it make sense. Anyways, so yeah, this was a vibe. This was my kind of scenery. This is how you want to spend your Saturday evenings every now and then, just being out and about, having a blast with your family, with your boo thing, with your children, whomever, with yourself, just to go out and see the sights. This is my kind of vibe. I like this Wynwood. I could see myself definitely coming back. I do note though that the weather definitely helped make it such a good day because, you know, my friend who took us down there, he said, Lord, down there hot and miserable and muggy in the summer months. And I can imagine just coming from Jamaica and even being in Merida where it was so miserably hot, sometimes you don't want to go outside. You don't even want to go outside, go enjoy the nice pretty days. You just kind of want to stay in your house, in the AC. So I take that advice and I would definitely come back and check out these Miami shops and things in the winter days. Yeah man, winter in Miami is perfect. It's absolutely beautiful. It does get a little bit chilly because as you can see I'm here in a sweater dress and still have a test underneath it, but yeah, it was very, very fun. I like Wynwood vibe. I would love to see if we could have something going like that down in Jamaica. I know they're trying to redevelop the waterfront. I think it would be so cool. Because look at this. This is another food market that we stopped into to get a bite to eat and they just had these Jenga bricks out, and so we sat at this table so we could play Jenga while, you know, we had a bite to munch. Anyway, that is a wrap on Munchkin's very fun 15th birthday celebration. Ooh. I really hope you do enjoy this video. My name is Monique from Kingston. That is Munchkin. That is a wrap on our weekend. Please tell me your favorite part of this video down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.